15 real use cases where AI avatars genuinely work, not as a gimmick, not as a replacement for creativity, but as a practical use of AI video that is actually helpful and useful. And just to be clear, all the AI video and avatar footage that you're gonna see throughout this video was created using the same workflow that I teach inside the AI Avatar Creator Lab. There is a lot of noise at the moment around AI avatars and AI video generation as a whole. A lot of hype, a lot of fear, and a lot of people thinking that they're gonna replace creators. But after actually using them for quite some time myself, I think a lot of people are missing the point. AI avatars don't really make sense for every piece of content that you are ever gonna make. There are many situations where it's actually impractical, but in some situations, they make a lot of sense. This is not theory, this is real world use cases. And I'm gonna approach this both from a content creation point of view as well as a business. So for instance, if you want to film something at a place or a location that is literally impossible to reach, or that it would be so difficult to get a permit to actually film there, that it makes sense to have an AI avatar there. You get the message across without the production nightmare that comes attached to it. You don't have to be setting up your camera, lights, microphones, and so on every single time you want to record anything. You can create 10, 50, 100 videos with the same character consistency and the same location, the same lighting, looking exactly the same way without having to redo the setup time and time again. This is where AI avatars become really helpful because they cut down on production time. And this leads on to the next case, which is creating content when you might not be feeling your best. You might be ill or injured. And this happens more often than people care to admit. You might be going through some health issues or even mental health, or maybe simply just burnt out. You can literally create your AI avatar and you can keep pumping content without having to push yourself physically. This is a very helpful use of AI avatar technology. Now, the next one is for corporate HR and onboarding content if you're a business, because policies change, terms of business change, internal processes change, and with AI avatars, if you're a company, you can keep updating your onboarding videos or whatever video content that you need to do internally without having to be refilming, resetting up, asking for crews to come in, have your talent on camera. You can literally just create all of this digitally and have your message and branding consistent. This is actually very good, and a lot of businesses and companies are migrating into this type of content because it makes perfect sense. And if you want to know more about how to create content with AI avatars, with AI video in general, I have an entire course where I go step by step on how you can create your characters, how you can create your images, how you can create your visuals, your lip sync, every aspect of AI avatar and AI video that is gonna allow you to create content that looks and feels human. The technology is getting so scaringly good that you are not going to be able to tell the difference between what's human and what's AI. So if this is something that you're interested on, I'll leave a link in the video description below. It's currently on a discount rate. I think you would love it. The next one is for brands creating content on demand, not waiting for schedules, locations, crews, or talent availability. When something needs to go live, it goes live. If you have a new development or a new announcement or a new line of products, you just go and do it without having to wait for the entire filming process to take place. That speed is very valuable for a business.
Hello guys, I recently got myself this watch and it's so good. It is a bit expensive, but the quality is amazing.
The next one is if you are creating content at scale in different languages, because you can have a single avatar that speaks in as many languages as you want. No reshoots, no pressure on presenters having to speak in different languages, no re-recording sessions. These alone can save companies and creators a huge amount of money.
Hi, I'm Anton, Principal Product Manager here at Synthesia. Ich bin jetzt seit fast 2 Jahren bei Synthesia. Inizialmente mi occupavo della creazione di video. 简单地讲，就牺牲方法点养领你开内容。Je cherche comment faire en sorte que votre contenu.
While you are away, maybe taking a break, maybe you are traveling, maybe you are moving homes and you don't have access to your studio, to your equipment, maybe you don't have the availability. Having an AI avatar makes perfect sense because it allows you to keep creating content without the pressure of having to be filming it, without having to be on camera and then setting up lighting and microphones.
Hi, nice to meet you all. I am going to teach you how to cook an omelette, and there are a few ingredients that you need to have before we go into cooking.
The next one is if you create faceless content or branded content that needs more than a single person. Because some creators, they genuinely don't want to be on camera all the time, or they just don't want to be on camera, period. So having an AI avatar fixes that. Some brands, for instance, they don't need just one person. They need a number of people that they are ready and available at a moment's notice. They don't want to be dealing with availability and schedules and pre-production and production schedules and crewing. So having AI avatars that they can create content at a drop of a hat makes perfect sense. The next one is if you create online courses or training material, because this is where I think AI avatars work amazing, because you don't have to be constantly recording and re-recording the entire lessons. If you make some mistakes or some adjustments, you have your AI avatar that can step in and it looks exactly like you, sounds like you, and rather than having to do an entire setup just for one sentence, you can literally just have your AI avatar and either add additional content to your lesson or correct a mistake or change or amend anything. And these days, you can have your audio and your video sounding and looking exactly like you. This is a very helpful use of AI avatar. The next one is if you deal with news and reports and you need to have your message out there very quickly, it's very difficult to keep up with the pace of things at the moment. You just literally don't have time. I mean, you're not gonna be filming and talking to camera 24/7. That's just not gonna happen. If you need a team of people going through different news, you can go through the traditional route, or you can just create AI avatars that do this for you.
Are we witnessing a new form of modern colonialism in the way the US is dealing with Venezuela? And what do you think will happen if the US tries to take by force Greenland from Denmark? Everyone claims the Third World War would be triggered by North Korea, China, or Russia, but could actually be the US, the country that takes the world closest to that point.
This is an area that is not fully developed just yet, but is gradually getting there because the tools are getting better and better by the minute. And now you have AI avatars that start to be expressive, that you can actually prompt expressiveness. Not only that, but the technology is getting so advanced that you just need to input the text, and then the AI avatar algorithm knows what intonation and expressiveness they need to give for a particular sentence or a particular mood. This is something that you're gonna start to see more and more because it makes perfect sense. AI avatars can always be available. There could be teachers or instructors that they are always there. It's almost like you have them on demand and they're always there explaining any concept or any doubt that you have consistently and clearly without having to rely on live teachers or live humans that they may not be available. You always have a consistent character that is always ready and available for whoever needs. And this is something that is exploding, and not just for online learning, but even websites now. You have virtual assistants where you actually go to the website and rather than having to call customer service, you have a little section on the bottom right, usually on the bottom right of the website, that you can interact and talk to, and they can reply to you and give you whatever information that you have. This is an area that again is developing very rapidly. Now, the next one is to turn documents into videos. Companies produce these overly complicated documents that are very difficult to understand. They have a lot of technical lingo that most people don't understand. There might be long reports, legal documents, updates, summaries, and you can have an AI avatar that can literally scan the document and create a video of someone talking about the document. And not only that, but you can now ask questions about that document, any doubts, anything that you didn't understand. And you can have an AI avatar that is literally answering those questions. This is almost like out of a science fiction movie, but it already exists. And this technology is perfect for that, because this is not something that you could ever create with a person. That's just not going to happen. Some ideas are just simply too expensive or too risky, maybe too impractical to film in a traditional way. And filming with AI avatars make perfect sense, because maybe it's a scene that is too dangerous and you don't want to have a human person, so you can either film it with an AI avatar, or at the very least prove a concept. You can pitch the idea to an investor, you can film it with AI avatars, and then once you prove a concept, you can then commit a budget to film it, knowing that it's gonna work because you've gone through your research, you know exactly what the visuals that you're gonna get. This is a very helpful and useful use of AI avatars, because filming is really expensive. Logistically, it's a nightmare. There is a lot of people involved. So if you can test script, scene, a format before you actually spend any money on a real production, this is actually gonna save you so much money, and you're not gonna wasting any energy. Because before you had previs with animatics and you would get a sense of what it is that you're gonna film, but now you can have AI avatars and AI video create the film, so you can narrow down exactly what you're gonna be filming, and you're not gonna wasting on production time, on logistics, on crew and talent. You know how many people you're gonna have on frame, the actual framing itself, the camera movement. You can test every aspect of a film before you actually go and film it. This alone could save hundreds of thousands, if not millions of pounds, depending on how complex or how simple what it is that you want to do. And the final one is producing content for everyday filming. And I'm not talking about vlogs, because that's just not something that I think AI avatar technology is ready there, but it's videos like this one, okay? You might be in a situation that you don't have access to certain locations, certain equipment. Maybe you just don't want to go through the setup process. And this touches back to some of the points early in the video, that AI avatars allow you to create content without the need to be there, without the need to be present. And this is the important part of it all, okay? AI avatars are not here to replace storytelling. They're not here to replace filmmaking. They're not here to replace creativity or content creators. They make perfect sense when you need to create content that could be repetitive and you want to keep a consistent brand, a consistent character, a consistent look. They're here to help us replace expensive logistics, production schedules, time that we don't have, repetitive tasks. I mean, I could understand why some people think this is pointless technology. I can also understand why some people feel scared and concerned about the future. But if you use it well, this is incredibly powerful. And by all means, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this video? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with the use cases? Do you have your very own? I would love to know what you guys think. And if you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. It's really nice to see the numbers going up, and I will see you in the next one.